Hey beautiful beaders, welcome to M&M channel where we show you how to make authentic beaded jewelry for yourself, your family, your friends and special people in your life. If you're ready, let's dive in and make a simple black bracelet. So these are the materials that you require. Black beads, nylon monofilament line, also known as fishing line, which should be 0.3 millimeters in diameter, scissors, and a tape measure to measure your wrist. Start by measuring your wrist where you want to wear the bracelet. My wrist is 6 inches, but I will add 0.5 inches to make sure that the bracelet fits comfortably. These black beads are small in size and they are great for patterns with detail. Let us cut the fishing line so that we can start beading. Then fold the fishing line into half. Start by picking 4 beads on one side of the fishing line. Then pass the fishing line through the last bead that you entered, like so. Then pull it down. Then pick 2 beads on one side and 1 bead on the other side. Then pass the fishing line through the last bead that you entered on the other side. Then pull it down, like so. Again, pick 2 beads on one side and 1 on the other side. Then pass it through the last bead that you entered on the other side. Then pull it down. Make sure you pull the threads firmly so that the bracelet is secure. Again, pick 2 beads on one side and 1 bead on the other side. Then crisscross like so and pull it down. Pick 2 beads on one side and 1 bead on the other side. Then pass it through the last bead that you entered and pull it down. Don't worry if your bracelet is loose at first, because as you continue adding the beads, it will become firm. 2 beads on one side, one on the other, crisscross and pull it down firmly. We continue adding the beads just like I have showed you. Make sure you're also in a well-lit room because the beads are tiny. So we have completed our bracelet and we want to tie it. So I'm going to cut the thread since it was long. So we want to join the bracelet. We already have 2 beads on the sides. So I'm going to pick 1 bead on one side of the thread and 1 bead on the other side of the thread. Then I'm going to pass the fishing line through the bead on the side and crisscross like so. There we go. Yes, make sure it's firm. Then pass the fishing line through the other beads to complete your bracelet. So I'm passing the fishing line through the other beads so that I can secure it firmly. Once you have completed passing it through, you can cut the thread using a scissors or a razor or even a nail cutter. Yeah. So there you have it. A black bracelet. Simple and easy to make. Please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Bye.